Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Today's video is regarding SKILLZ, ticker symbol SKLZ. So the stock was up today by 5.68% and even on aftermarket it is up 0.77%. But why I'm making this video? Because when I look at the chart it seems like it is grinding up. So for last few days you can see it goes up, comes down, then again goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, but now seems like it wants to go up. Like if I draw a line here, what line I was looking for is this is the line here, the previous high around 1660 I guess. So it was the line, so we broke it today, and the good thing is once we broke this line we went up and we are bouncing off that particular line, which is 16.8. So if we can hold 16.8, this particular support, I think we might see a run up. And if you remember in my channel I talked about SKILLZ many times, and just showing you one video that when I made the video on April 21st we were around $14, and we know what happened after $14. It went all the way around $21, and I was talking about making some call option and we made lots of money. So thank you very much for staying with this particular channel, and congratulations. And if you want to stay with this channel, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because in this video we talk about the stock which are about to break out. We also talk about call and put options so that we can all make some money. Anyway, so I will come back to the chart, but before that I just want to show you that how it is moving. That you see the black line here, so it was the overall downtrend, right? It was coming down down down, and then some volume came, it went up, and we had a resistance around $21. We went there. At the same time the microvision was also running, went up to $28. So back to back a few days we made a lot of money. Then it was coming down down down, and you can see now again it is bouncing back from this 13 area and seems like it wants to go higher again. So end of the video I will talk about the price action, the support, resistance, and what we should be doing. But before that, just want to show you something if you do not know SKILLZ at all. So I believe in ARK Invest and Cathode, and this is a chart showing how ARK Invest has been loading SKILLZ. So the yellow line is showing the price of SKILLZ. So as it is coming down, ARK is adding more and more shares. So the blue line is share, you can see they are adding more shares, and as long the price is coming down they are adding more and more. And also I looked at one of the presentation that ARK Big Ideas 2021, they talk about the virtual world, and what I found that they showed some chart here, and they're showing that the percentage of revenue from in-game purchase will increase from 20 to 50 and 75% by 2020. They also talk about the per hour cost for gaming will increase by 20%. They also talk about the revenue by different years. You can see in-game revenue bull case and bear case, in both way it is going up. It also talked about the augmented reality AR smartphone and AR glass. You can see the revenue how it is growing. So there is a big market. That's the big thing. It also talks about the market size, 16% increase in the size, 59% increase in the size. The whole thing I want to show you that there is a big market for virtual reality and online gaming, and SKILLZ is the best one. So in long term it will grow a lot. You see that the revenue from virtual world could approach 400 billion by 2025. And this is not only ARK Invest. If you go to Nasdaq, you can see it has a strong buy with an average price target of $25 with a high of 34 and a low of 70. So 34, 25, 17, and look at the price. We went close to $45, we came down, and the current price is 17, which is the low estimate. So even from 17, if we go to 25, that's a good increase. Let's see how much we can make from here. If we go to 25, we can make almost 50% gain. And also keep that in mind, from the very top it came like a lot, because if we look at how much we came down from the all-time high, we came down almost around 63% down. So you see we were beaten a lot, and definitely if you believe in this company it should go up. One other thing, if you do not know about SKILLZ at all, this is an online gaming thing. So basically you go and play, the better you play you get more rewards, so it encourages you to play more and more, so that you become a more skilled player, you earn more. At the same time, if you're a game developer, then you upload your game and you also get revenue. At the same time, just for platforming the games, skills also earn money. So it's a win-win for everyone. So if you believe it can go up to $25, if not 30, still there is a big upside, 50% upside for making money. And if you missed the last earning, just wanted to show you the final one. So the Q1 2021 revenue, you can see the first quarter revenue hits 84 million, which is up 92% year over year. Also, their paying monthly active user grows 81% year over year. And they also have raised their full year 2021 revenue guidance to 375 million. So you can see that back-to-back many earnings, they were doing good. We are proud to report record-breaking first quarter result, giving us 21 consecutive quarters of revenue growth. These lines are important. And to believe a particular stock, you need to know what the company does, what is their price target, and how they are doing quarter over quarter. So that is why SKILLZ has a high price target and people are shorting at the same time. And while I'm talking about shorting, I'm just looking at finviz.com. You can see that it has a share float of 28.79%, which is very high. At the same time, if I go to shortsqueeze.com for SKILLZ, it shows that the short interest has increased by 17%. But again, sometimes they are not up to date, and some people say that Fintel is more up to date. So when I went to Fintel, I think the short percent float is around 18 or 16%. But anyway, that's a big thing. And we know currently with GME, GameStop, and with AMC, the short squeeze is happening again. So who knows, like SKILLZ, Microvision, those things can get some run up again. So now let's go back to the chart. So just looking at the chart, what do you think? You see the volume today? We had a good volume today, not bad. So looking from here, let's look at some lines here, because this is important. So this is one line. Today we hit that resistance. You see around 16.6 area. It was a support before, now it might be a resistance. We need to see how things will play out. Also look at this area where we hit previously, which is around 21.5. It was a support at one point, then it became our last resistance. And what about coming down? This is a support, is around 12.5. so we came 12.5, went up again, came 12.5. So keep that in mind as well. Like if it comes down, then set some limit buy order for 12.5 or maybe $13, because if the average price target is $25, you can easily double your money. And what else we can find? Just looking at the support resistance, I think this is one other area around $28, some kind of consolidation here, some kind of support here. This is one area. So there are so many areas you can find as you will go up and up and up. So these are the lines, even $32, $28. So I'm not going that far. So on the bottom side, you can see if it comes down 12.5 or 13 would be a support. But if we can maintain the 16.6 area, and remember aftermarket we are up, currently we are at $17. We are up $17. We need to see pre-market what we are doing. But if we can maintain the $16, $17 support, I think we will push towards $20, $21. And definitely that will be a good place to make some profit. So that is why I'm making this video. But if it comes down, then also watch the price action, how we are doing. Look at the RSI, it is pointing upward. Currently we are 52, 50 is neutral, 70, anything over 70 is overbought. So still we have some room to go up. At the same time, look at the MACD, the blue line just starting going up. So not bad, still there is some time. So this week it might move a little bit more, it can move sideways. Just look at the pre-market, because sometime when other stock like AMC, GME, they run, sometime if any stock is heavily shorted, sometime they can run as well. Otherwise we might move sideways for some time, then we can push again towards $21. But keep that in mind, all the growth stock which were heavily beaten, now they are coming back. So maybe it is a time, and I think it can easily go from here to $22. So even that will be a $5 profit. So, and how much is $5? That's almost 30%, let's say. Not bad. So I'm holding shares. I'm also holding some call option. So talking about call option, let's see what call option is a good one for you. I would suggest go with August 20th, which will give you 86 days of expiration date. And if you think 20 should be the target, then let's find the break even of 20. So if you take this one, 15 plus 3.6, this is 18.6. So 20 is one target. If you think not 20, then I would find another one here. You see around $19 area, some kind of support here. Then again it acted as a resistance. We went through this area here, but maybe once we go we hit 19 again. If 19 is your target, if you think by August we will go to 19, in that case you can go with this one. 15 plus 3.6 is 18.6. so this is a good one. Also you can go with this one if you do not want to invest more money. But anyway, you will get 86 days to expire. At the same time, whenever the share price will go high, these premiums will go higher and you will make money. Also, sometimes it is better to see the volatility and Greek, especially the thing delta. So let me load the delta here, because this is also I want to see. So for 15 strike, the delta is 69. So $1 increase in the share price will give you $69. Even for this one, this is 55. Not bad. You can choose even 15 or 17.5 and take August expiry date, so you will have more time, so you can also skip the volatility in the market. So anyway, this is my thought how to make money. So I loaded lots of share when it came down. I also bought some call options, so I just need to see the way I'm thinking, is it correct or wrong. But anyway, these are all my own thinking, my thoughts, not any recommendation. So just do your own research before you buy or sell any stock. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a Twitter. Sometimes I post some update on my Twitter, and also if you're subscribed to my channel, in my community feed I post regularly what I'm doing. So maybe this is another reason you should be subscribed to my channel. So anyway, please hit the like button if you find any information useful in this particular video. Take care and have a nice day. Bye.